how to change the size and width of the edge panels handle on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then we tap on display. So it should be in here. So tap on display and then we go down and tap on edge panels. In here, go down and tap on handle, and to adjust the handle size, you can drag on the slider bar here to make it smaller. You can see right here, if I drag it to the left, it will make the handle smaller, and if I drag it to the right, it will make the handle longer. Here I can change the width, so again, drag it to the left to make a thin width, and change it to the right to make a thick width. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.